We have got a bunch of goodies to put on the R33 Skyline, and in today's video we are going to throw them all on the car. So if you haven't watched the previous video, we'll link it up there. Make sure you check that out, where we pick up and unveil this R33 Skyline. Now when we got the car, there were a few bits missing and a few bits that just needed to go. And one of them was the spoiler. It was gigantic, weighed as much as a park bench, and in my opinion, didn't look the best for this Skyline. So what we did is we picked up a new one.
Yeah, so you can probably tell as well there is no wing on the car because the old one's already gone.
Yeah, we sold it.
Yep. What's this, a JSI one?
Yeah,
it?
So I'll pop it down because it's very noisy. Yeah, so we picked this one up. This was from Just Jap. Now just a bit of a piece aside here. We bought this, placed the order at 4 o'clock on a Thursday, and it arrived from Sydney at 11 o'clock Friday.
Yeah, less than a day.
Less than a day. It was like 15 hours or something. And it wasn't just the spoiler, it was also, later on in the video you'll see, we've got an intercooler kit. We paid full price, we're not sponsored, nothing like that. It was just impeccable. Just bought and next day arrived, which is quite crazy, especially in these COVID times. But yes, this was through Just Jap. This is a JSI Aero part. So it's fiberglass, it's not a GTR wing. But it is in the style of the R33 GTR Nismo wing, which I think is really cool. So yeah, we'll throw this on the car, and hopefully this kind of makes the car have the OEM plus kind of look. Yeah. I think that's kind of what we're going for. We don't want anything too crazy. Whoever ends up buying this car, they are well within their right to go and make this fully hectic not Euro, what do they call it? Auto salon spec.
Yeah.
But yeah, so what we want to do is just kind of bring it more to a factory plus OEM plus look, and we'll start off with this rear spoiler.
So the spoiler is finally on. I say finally, it's actually really easy.
It took 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
If that.
Oh, it looks so good. Like, you'll see by these cinematics.
It just ties the car together now.
Yeah, for sure.
All we need is a bonnet, and
yep,
the outside pretty much is done.
Well, you say pretty much. Yeah, the wheels are ugly.
The wheels are gotta go.
Hell yeah.
But now it looks very good.
Oh yeah.
So now it's to step up the game to something a little harder.
Intercooler kit.
So right in front of me, we have a new intercooler kit. This is a step down from what was on the car. What was on the car was a 3-inch kit, which didn't actually really fit that well. It's all behind us here in pieces. So we'll chuck this on, and yeah, that should be it. We're still utilizing the intercooler that came with the car, so we probably are going to have to buy a step up piece for this intercooler kit, just because the outlets on the actual intercooler are 3-inch and this is a 2-inch kit. But yeah, sit back and relax and we will throw this all together. is installed. It is looking mint. The intercooler system is pretty much installed. We did have to delay it by another day, as you can probably tell, we're in different clothes. We needed a new silicon coupler just because we've got an aftermarket radiator. That's double the thickness of the OEM radiator. It just put the intercooler piping just a bit too close to the fans. So we've had to do a little bit of MacGyvering to get the intercooler pipe to clear that, and a new hose was required. We do need to get another 90-degree bend, just because unfortunately our Skyline does not have the OEM intercooler setup that would have came with the car. So we need to kind of improvise and go for that.
Yep.
But all in all, it's in.
Yeah, somewhat simple. The intercooler, yeah, like I said, it was a little fidgety, but the wing was,
it was
a breeze.
And it's definitely, I reckon, transformed the car.
Yeah.
The car presents itself a lot better now. And as well as the intercooler system, it's nice, it's shiny, it's new. We've got new black silicon couplers, other than the crazy, fully hectic blue couplers that were on it that made it look like something out of Need for Speed. But yeah, so we keep looking down because the engine bay is right here, and you're currently set atop 33. But no, I think it's all coming together. It's doing well. What's next?
Hopefully, hood, wheels.
Wheels, yes, we do have some wheels coming.
Yeah, surprise, there's a whole video on it.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, they, let's just hope they come out better than how we get them.
Oh yeah.
The hood is on its way, that'll be coming, and then we've got to send it to paint and wait for that. But yeah, apart from that, once we get the car kind of all in one piece, starting properly, we still need to diagnose why it is kind of stuttering and misfiring here and there. Once that is sorted, we can then go on our way to getting the throwout bearing put in and replaced, so we get rid of that chatter noise. And then it's just all the little finicky things, so like the electric windows, the radio,
maybe painting the center dash or repairing
maybe
something like that. I don't know.
The dash fascia is a bit how you going, could use some love. So it's just all lots of little things. So, however, now the intercooler system doesn't impede the hood, we think. Once we get the hood, we can check that out. The wing isn't crazy, hectic parachute out the back. So yeah, the car is slowly coming together. Morgan still hasn't sold his Miata.
It hopefully should be gone tomorrow.
We'll see. You never count your eggs before they hatch.
But come on, hopefully.
Yes. Or count your chickens before they hatch.
Yep.
But yes, so it's coming along nicely, and Morgan's not, but I'm very much enjoying working on this car. It's familiar. Even though this is my first RB Skyline, it's familiar territory. Everything looks similar to a 180.
I think it's just because I've come off the back of my Miata, which had lots of things to do with it, lots of work. And this, again, has a lot of just little things that's, I don't know, a lot more work.
But unlike your Miata, this is going to make us money. So
Hey, I think there's still money in it.
yeah. Thanks heaps for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Let us know down below what wheels do you think we've got? Because we're obviously on a budget. We can't buy TE37s.
Yeah. But then also, what wheels would you put on it?
What wheels would you put, and what color?
Yeah.
Because we are, spoiler alert, well, it's funny because we did a spoiler in this video. We are going to be painting them. So there is a choice in color, although Morgan and I are quite set in my color already. Yeah, so, but let us know below what color would you paint the wheels. They're not the wheels currently on the car, they are a new set of wheels. But yeah, so thanks heaps for watching. We'll see you guys in the next episode, where if hopefully Morgan sells it, we'll be able to tell you who won the flip off challenge. And then, yeah, more on the R33 Skyline.
Yep.
See you later.